Good morning mga langga. So while naglilinis tayo ng ating sprouted beans mga langga, let's talk about life. Masaya po ba kung may partner ka na foreigner? Depende po ang sagot. Different people, different experience, different situation, different story. Based on my experience mga langga, hindi po siya madali. Adjustment is very hard. Culture, beliefs, way of life matters a lot. Maswerte ka kung considerate ang partner mo with your feelings and needs as a Filipina. Pero kung hindi, it's a hard life for you kung ikaw lang mag-a-adjust. Sa ngayon at this point of our relationship, we are shaking for some reasons. We are trying to figure out things. Iniisip namin kung tutuloy pa ba or stop na. Mahirap kasi lalo at malayo kami sa isa't isa. Nahirapan kami sa timing, nahirapan sa distance. If one has a bad mood, di mo siya ma-comfort, and sometimes it causes more misunderstanding, thinking that someone don't care. Kaya mahirap talaga. Kung ano man ang mangyari sa relationship namin, magpapasalamat pa din ako. At some point in my life, I experienced being loved by someone na iba ang lahi. And I will be forever grateful to know someone like Frederick.